Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you the latest version of Get Focusable, a great tool for helping you learn how to focus and get more things done. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. You'll find it at getfocusable.com. You can use it in your web browser. You can also download the various mobile apps that they offer. Whichever version you use, you'll see a screen like this when you get started. And this is new since the last time I made a video about Focusable. Now, every time you start a session, you'll see a screen like this that says to recharge for a moment. And you can do one of these little activities like eye tracing or neck stretching. And you'll see there's even more available right there. And it tells you how long they will take you to complete. So maybe you can say, well, power breathing. Maybe I don't have 7 minutes for power breathing right now. So instead, I'll do the 4-7-8 breathing. Or maybe you'll do nothing at all. You'll do nothing for a little bit to reset your mind.
Nice work.
And so now I've reset my mind, and I'm going to click to go forward. I'm going to get the prompt to breathe in. And then I have this timer that I can have for 10 minutes or 5 minutes to focus on getting a task done. I'm going to move it down to 5 minutes right now. And for the next 5 minutes, I'm going to go and work on whatever task I need to get done. Maybe that's writing something in my Google Docs. I need to work on the next lesson for my class, or I need to, review something from my lesson that I've recently written. And I'm going to do that one thing for the next 5 minutes. I'll hear a little chime when my time is up, and then I'll be prompted to record how I feel. And we'll take a look at that next. So we'll see that my timer is counting down now, and I have just 5 seconds left. And now I'm going to be prompted to record how I felt during that time. And I can say, well, I felt like those 5 minutes went pretty quickly once I started. And I can give my focus a name, or I can go with the default of whatever it names it, focus 1, 2, 3 in this case. And I can put it into a group for my class, or I can say no group at all and save it. And then it shows my previous focus sessions. You can see some of my previous sessions from earlier this week listed right there. And when I want to go back and start another session, well, here it is. Once more, I can recharge for a moment and then go ahead and focus again for another 5 or 10 minute block. And I've found that this is a great way to help me get started and focus on those tasks that I sometimes don't want to do. As always, for more things like this, please visit freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.